Now, staying with the CBK, the Public Service Commission has announced the shortlisted candidates for the coveted role of the Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Kenya. Now, this announcement comes after a call for applications that was done on March 30, the year 2023. The list of finalists includes Professor Dulacho Galgalo Barako from Marsabit, Gerald Nyauma Rita from Kisii County, Jane Wangoi Kiringai from Nyeri, Charles Mutuma Ringera from Meru, and Dr. Florence Koki Kinyanzui from Makueni. Also on the list is Dr. Habil Okunda Olaka from Kakamega County. They are set to be interviewed on the 3rd of October 2024. And crossing over to the airspace sector now, and Renegade Air has a new feather in its cap, having added a new aircraft to its fleet to serve the regional market. Dubbed the ATR-72, the plane is the first of its kind in Kenya in 2 decades.